In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Ubisoft account email, even if you don't have access to your old email anymore. Whether you've lost your login, your old email got hacked, or you simply want to switch to a new secure email address, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Ubisoft account page and sign in with your username and password. If you don't remember which email is currently linked, don't worry, as long as you can log in, you can follow these steps. Once you're signed in, go to the account information section. Here, you'll see your basic details, including your registered email. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any important details. Next, click on the edit button next to your email. Ubisoft will show you an option that says change email. Normally, this requires a verification code sent to your old email, but since you don't have access to that, here's what you need to do instead. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you still have access to your Ubisoft login, your phone number if it's linked, and a brand new email address ready to use. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once you click Change Email, Ubisoft will attempt to send a verification code. Since you can't access the old email, choose the option that says I can't access this email or need help. This will redirect you to Ubisoft support. Here, you'll be able to open a support ticket. Ubisoft will ask you to verify your identity using details like past purchases, linked platforms, or security questions. After they confirm your ownership, they will manually reset your email for you. After that, you can enter your new email address, and Ubisoft will send a verification code to that new inbox. Simply open your new email, find the code, and type it into the Ubisoft verification box. Once you do that, your account email will be officially updated without needing access to the old one. It's also a good idea to enable two-factor authentication afterward. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your account safe. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to change your Ubisoft email, even without access to your old one, easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?